Hey y'all, today I'll be installing this very affordable 24-inch Peruvian Deep Wave closure wig from Cranberry Hair, a hair store on Aliexpress. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
Me I beg you, woman, me guide them father, make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me Jehovah, Father protect your soul. Can't stop me 'cause me heart too clean.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so like I said, today I'll be installing this 24-inch Peruvian Deep Wave closure wig from Cranberry Hair. If you want to check out the unboxing video that I did and the initial review, I'll put a card for it and I'll leave a link for it in my description box below. As usual, all of the products I'm using will be listed in my description box as well. Alright, so I'll just go ahead and be quiet and let y'all enjoy the video.
You a walking trophy. You a walking trophy. My girl, you a walking trophy. You and your friends, them a walking trophy. Tell a girl say, girl, you know say you're pretty from your bond. Walk out and you're not try hard. Them girl in the pretty in a real life. You're pretty funny gram and you're pretty in a real life. Your body look good, set it right, set right. Ting turn up, ting well tight, well tight. Back clean and no cellulite. And your skin just a glow like pepper light. Smile, show you pretty, them pull your teeth white. You're not be wearing run for you look right. Fashion over jean grip that thing tight. You're pretty funny gram and you're pretty in a real life. You a walking trophy. You a walking trophy. My girl, you a walking trophy. You and your friend, them a walking trophy. Girl, you know say you're pretty from your bond. Walk out and you're not try hard. Them girl in the pretty in a real life. You're pretty funny gram and you're pretty in a real life. Your body look good, set it right, set it right. Your ting turn up, ting well tight, well tight. Back clean and no cellulite. And your skin just a glow like pepper light. Jeans, pants and cracks, no socks, they on me feet. Knapsack when me a beat, well pack up and it needs. Stay woke, no sleep, me not let the boat peep. Money for me mind, but me never have a kind. Nah, cause me just a hustle for the pretty dollar sign. I never know one time, I from sometime. But me know me and me mommy happy see the sunshine. That's why me come